Hello, in this video we are going to look at solving the problem that we had last time, which was if I put something here and go to the next tab, put something here, and if we go back, once we focus on another tab, the contents of all other tabs get deleted. And the reason for that is it's not manually going through the contents and deleting it. It's essentially a reset. Because when we first create our application, we're doing this. We're creating, we're calling the constructor. So when you actually switch tabs, the constructor is getting called again. And when the constructor is getting called again, all of this is being recreated. If you want it to persist, it's actually really simple. Just right here, after we've done extends state addition tab, I'm going to say with automatic keep alive client mixing, and we get an error because we need to override the variable, and the variable that we need to override is bool get want keep alive, and the value we're going to say is true because we want to keep it alive. And now we just need to add this to all of our other tabs. So if you didn't want tab persistence, then you don't need to do any of this, but most likely you will want it, because otherwise it is pretty useless unless it's just a static tab where you can't do anything. And we need to add this as well, and add it here, and finally add it in the division tab. There we go. So if I do a hot restart, okay, so synced and restarted. So if I go to here, type in, let's say 5, say 8, and I do it, go to multiplier, and I'll go here, type 8, 5, we get 40. And as you can see, I'm still focused on here. The content for this tab still remains. For going to here, do whatever, and if I go to the different tabs, the content persists. So that's how you do content persistence. We've created our tab bar application. As you can see in 3 videos, we've done something pretty decent. Obviously, the way you format it, the widgets you use, the color scheme, that is totally up to you. The aim of these 3 videos, this project, was to show you how you can have the default template that they give you. You can modify it, add for example a tab bar, integrate 4 other classes and files into it, and do tab persistence. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, or if you want to go over any of the videos that we've done previously together and you want to learn about the individual features again of Flutter, feel free to do that. They're there for your perusal. If you have any questions, I look forward to hearing them, and I also look forward to seeing you in the next video.